Now you need to scan stuff like this to enter, and this one. And we are going to the mall. How it was?
Yeah, this one is actually how you have to scan your barcode and check in. You see, successful.
All right, we are free to go to the mall. All right, yo, what's up, guys? We are in the mall today. What's the name of the mall?
This one is Trans Studio Mart. So
Successful.
yeah.
We enter because now is the new era, new regulations.
Is that
like
whenever
this.
you go to the mall, you have to scan the Peduli Lindungi, and then also the regulation: if you are under 12 years old, you are not allowed to go to the mall.
Really?
And
I
then
didn't know that.
if you are above 70 years old, you also are not allowed to go to the mall.
So if you are too young, forget. If you are too old, forget. I don't know. That's how it is. Anyway, we're gonna show you. It's not that busy anyway, so you don't miss that much. All right. So here is Transmart something. They have even car now, and that's how it looks in the mall situation in general. Not that busy. So yeah, what are you looking for?
Looking for the dress.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right. So many nice selection of dresses. Sayang, what are you buying?
I really like the product of Sensasia Botanical. So this is not paid endorsement actually, but I really like it whenever when we go to the hotels and the hotels have this kind of product. Really love it.
All right.
Yang shampoo-nya. Okay, so I paid actually a bit expensive, but the problem of my hair is that I've got a hair fall so bad. So I bought all the products like I know that whenever we go, like Sensasia has a nice product. So yeah,
the Bali hotels have these products often. So
yeah, so I have a shampoo, conditioner for my face also. So nice.
Nice. And meanwhile, the mall. Sorry to say, but it looks quiet, and many shops are also like this for places for it, and even some food stalls, restaurants are closed, unfortunately. Here is some gallery. Unfortunately, it's closed, but they are nice paintings, and that's the main lobby of the mall. And it looks deserted. I'm sorry to say that, but it's really not that busy. And entrance, and there at the front, if you see, is Bak Museum. I think we're gonna have a dinner there.
And then look at upstairs. Upstairs is like kids station or something like that. Unfortunately closed because obviously kids under 12 years old are not allowed to enter the mall.
Okay. As our tradition, Bak Museum or GM, whatever you call that, and chili 3-portion opening by team. This is classic already for us.
This is not paid endorsement.
Nothing on today's vlog is paid endorsements, guys. Nothing. But we really like this place.
We just had our dinner and then we decided to show you just a little bit about Sunset Road. I think that most of you, if you have been to Bali, you pass this road as well.
Famous Carrefour supermarket, and I think we're gonna go today here. This is the testing, but here is the entrance to the Carrefour market. Oh,
yeah, because we've got so many emails.
Many people actually ask you guys about to show this place, and we never vlog here actually, so. And that's how it looks, the Carrefour supermarket from the outside. Big sign, not paid endorsement for this brand, however they are really struggle, I guess. Looks like this. Well, AW All American is still open, but even here the ATM machines are gone, only 3 left. And the KFC over there, I think KFC is gone. Well, we are inside, but doesn't look like I said, much optimistic. That's the entrance. And here are some small shops on the way to the main supermarket, but yeah, looks like this. All right, so we are in the shop in the Carrefour market. This is the section of the goodies like this. Yeah, it's empty, but Seems like many products still the same. Cosmetics, this is the merchandise, like a Balinese stuff like this. I remember when I was tourist, I was buying the merchandise for my family over here. That was a long time ago. But yeah, that's how it is.
So the difference is that whenever you go here in the Carrefour, they didn't scan your Peduli Lindungi or vaccine card or everything. So
Yeah, that's the big difference.
it's easy for those of you who didn't vaccine. So
You
you
can
can
still
come here.
Here is also the some supermarket clothes section. However, very quiet as you see. Really, not that busy in the market today. Only Winnie at the front. And honestly, I feel a little bit weird because it's so quiet. Here is some section with the furniture. If you would like to buy something, when we are heading into maybe some food stuff. Yes, honey?
Yes, only us.
Only us, so quiet. Only you actually in the background. And some ladies here, workers. That's crazy, isn't it? Do you remember times like this when it was so quiet in this supermarket here where you were last time? Because it's already a long time, but I still cannot adopt this. Still feel strange. And here we go, here is some food section. This is the imported stuff from all around the world. Sometimes maybe some of you used to buy something here, beer, and here is the food section. Yeah, I have no words actually. I know it's just the empty supermarket, but it's empty supermarket. It's not like just empty supermarket. Really not that busy. What are you looking for, honey?
I'm looking for the French fries, but look at this one. Almost empty.
Not almost empty. I could say it's just simply empty. Yeah. How you doing? Okay, one more time, just to prove as it's really only Winnie walking around as the customer here. Yeah, copy Bali. Alright guys, so that's how it looks inside. By the way, it's very hot nowadays in every mall, every shop, because I don't know, the aircon doesn't work. I don't really know why it's like that.
I think that nowadays the mall, trying reduce the operational costs.
But
so
saving electricity.
saving
also.
electricity, and also like, surrounded, we see already closed.
Everything is actually gone. It's very quiet in general. It's hard to even describe because showing you on the camera is one, but what we feel, how we are exploring this is second. It's not that what maybe you guys remember. So
it's so depressing.
It's actually depressing, really depressing.
All right, guys, I think that's all our video today. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya, guys.